If I really get you out of there, I don't have nobody else. That's really why you alive right now, bro. So you was trying to be nice to me. Bitch, I ain't asked you to be nice. Bro, nigga don't get no reward for being nice. Dumbass. Say dumbass shit for real, bro. Ask me how much, bro.
How much what?
How much I don't give a fuck, bro. Just cut my head, bro. Like, trying to be funny, bro. If I'm being completely honest with you for real, bro, I really be trying not to like really hurt you for real, bro. Like I'm like dead ass serious not trying to hurt you, bro, because you cut my hair and you the only one who cut my hair. So if I really get you out of there, I don't have nobody else. That's really why you alive right now, bro. So
but the AC not on?
No, your breath stank, bro. Your breath hot as shit, bro. Your breath stank and it's hot. And I don't know how. I didn't know how else to tell you, my nigga. That's why I say just cut my shit. I don't even want you talking to me. If I'm being honest, don't even talk to me, bro. Please, just cut my shit, bro. Your breath be stinking so bad, my nigga. But I ain't never want to say nothing. But you keep talking, keep more. It smell like shit, like you farting from your mouth. Just cut my head, bro. Please.
You an asshole.
No, your mouth an asshole. Just cut my shit, bitch.